Welcome to the School of Breath.
Today, we're diving into practical tips on how to integrate the breathwork and meditation seamlessly into your daily life.
Studies from Harvard Medical School suggest that even 2 minutes of daily breathwork awareness can reduce hormones like cortisol by 25%.
For the next few minutes, I'll share some routines. If you integrate that, these would become your habits, empowering habits that would give you lasting results throughout your day and throughout your year. And make sure you stay until the end, and I'll share my personal routine with you, which I've tested and experimented on myself. First tip is when you wake up, you want to wake up with gratitude. You want to prime your day for success. So, as you're laying on the bed, you are in something called alpha state of brain waves. A part of you has come awake, but a part of you is still sleeping. So you're in this hypnagogic state. And if you give some suggestions consciously during this state for yourself, they'll go directly in your subconscious mind, and that would help you prime your whole day for success.
For example, you might think of three simple things you're grateful for each morning: the comfort of your bed you slept in, the safe space you call home, and your body's ability to heal itself overnight. Acknowledging these small things can immediately shift your mindset into gratitude and positivity.
We have created a gentle wake up alarm. So, as you wake up with this gentle wake up alarm, it'll help you become aware of all the gratitude in your life, all the things you are thankful for. And once you start to reflect with this alarm, with this waking meditation, you'll be able to prime your day for success. So, second tip comes from our Swara Yoga course.
Swara Yoga is an ancient science of understanding the subtle energies flowing through your nostrils. Each nostril has a dominant phase throughout the day, and by aligning your actions with the natural rhythms, you can enhance your energies as well as success in life.
Those of you who have taken the Swara Yoga course know that we should be stepping out of the bed with the dominant nostril foot. So if your right nostril is dominant as you wake up, you'll take your right foot and touch on the floor, on the ground, and then you're going to take your right hand and bless the Mother Earth and bring the hand on your chest. Third one is hydrate yourself before you take caffeine. So as soon as you wake up, before you go onto the phone, before you go on to talk to anybody, just make sure that you hydrate yourself, preferably with lukewarm water.
According to the Journal of Clinical Endocrinology and Metabolism, they say that drinking water as soon as you wake up can increase your metabolism rate by 30%.
And you don't want to stand up drinking this water. You want to sit down because you want your stomach to be center of gravity while you are slowly sipping on water. And I want to remind you a tip from Ayurveda that you want to be able to eat your liquids and drink your food, which means
This is a beautiful concept from Ayurveda emphasizing the importance of mindful drinking. It's not just about gulping down water, it's about savoring each sip, allowing the water to nourish you from within. Imagine you're sipping on water slowly, feeling the coolness on your tongue and noticing the sensations in your body as the water hydrates you.
slow down when you're drinking water. Preferably, you should be in Malasana. If Malasana is not possible for you, then you sit down on a couch and drink water slowly. Sip the water. As soon as you drink your water, you want to just go out on the roof or somewhere in nature and you start your breath work practice. And you'll find a link to our morning breath work routine. So before you flood your mind with all the thoughts, with business, with relationships, you want to do your breath work and meditation practice to prime your day.
This morning practice will not only energize you for the day, but also help to cultivate a sense of calm and centeredness before you dive into the daily routines.
This would make sure that you have enough energy throughout your day until the evening. And in the evening, we'll do another breathwork practice, which can sustain your energy throughout the night. And you'll have enough pranic energy even when you go to sleep. Now you're ready to go on to your breakfast, and then you're ready to go on with your day. So let's talk about what we can do throughout the day to maintain breath awareness. You can start to create some clues, something that repeats in your day. For example, you might sneeze, and that might be a clue to bring awareness back to your breath. Or to begin with, first you can just set up 4 different reminders on your phone that will remind you every 3 hours.
One of our beautiful subscribers and a mother of two told us that she named her phone alarms as self care break 1, 2, 3, and 4. And every time now she sees the alarm label, it reminds her that this is a self care moment rather than just another task.
So you'll just simply practice 3 slow, long, deep breaths when you become aware of this reminder. So you're going to slowly bring the breath all the way deep into your belly, fill up the belly, and then fill up the chest. Breathe all the way to your shoulders. Hold the breath a little bit. And as you exhale, allow the shoulders to relax, chest to relax, and pull the belly in. This is your one complete breath, and you'll do 3 of these every time you're reminded through your phone or through some clue. So remember this tip. Naturally, anatomically, we have been given a diaphragm, the primary muscle for breathing. Everything above the diaphragm, your lungs, your sense perceptions, are all part of your sympathetic nervous system. And everything below the diaphragm, which is your stomach, your liver, your spleen, your digestion, is part of your parasympathetic nervous system. So, as you slow down the breath and bring the breath all the way towards your belly, you're not only massaging your intestines and your organs, but you're also automatically activating your parasympathetic nervous system.
Studies on vagal tone, a key measure of your parasympathetic activity, have shown that belly breathing, the diaphragmatic breathing, increases your vagal tone, linked to improved emotional resilience, better digestion, and lower blood pressure.
And you can stay in your parasympathetic nervous system for longer and longer time, and that would ensure that your breath is long, slow, deep, and you're not taking any stress throughout your day. And now let's come on to your sleep routine. Of course, you can find all the tips on your sleep routine in our sleep course. But I want to make sure you know that the inability for your body to sleep is not because you have too much energy. Sometimes we think we have too much energy, and that prevents us from going to deep, restful sleep. But scientists have told us the contrary is true now, that your body, by the time you reach the night, your body is too exhausted to be able to release enough melatonin. Quality of your sleep is not deep. So you want to make sure you go in your sleep with enough energy in your body, enough pranic energy. And this is why we recommend you evening breathwork practice. Evening breathwork practice is not that aggressive, but it focuses on activating your parasympathetic nervous system, and it tells your body that it's time to wind down. And those of you who are still hyperactive in their mind, you can try our holistic membership, our yoga nidra, and our sleep music. And last step but not the least, you want to be able to transition into sleep, because next 8 hours you're going to be unconscious almost. So you want to make sure that you go transition into this unconsciousness through proper intention, because you want to prime your subconscious mind now to be able to sleep properly, to be able to rejuvenate as you sleep.
Think of this as planting seeds in your garden. If you plant hope, peace, thoughts before drifting off, your subconscious mind nurtures those seeds overnight, helping them grow into a more positive outlook for the next day.
And if you're looking for a completely structured program that would take you step by step throughout your day and create a routine and integrate that into your successful habits, then please join us on our holistic membership course. You can find the link in the description. And here's a tip from my life, which I have integrated successfully to meditate throughout the day. The last tip is to bring meditation into each and every action you're doing, which means you want to build and maintain this meditative awareness throughout your day. While you're talking to your family, while you're talking to your colleagues, see if you can maintain breath awareness, maintain slow, long, deep breath.
Think of when you're doing an activity, for example, slicing vegetables, fully present, no distraction. That calm, focused attention can transform even the simplest task into a mindful, meditative practice.
You can just bring this meditative awareness into the task you're doing, and you'll see every task you do is your signature. The way you do one thing is the way you do everything. So now you'll start noticing that you'll shy away from multitasking, but you'll just focus all your energies on one task in front of you. And as you do this task, you'll bring your 100% attention, and that would give you productivity, that will give you good quality, and give you full satisfaction. So please follow these routines and tell me if these routines helped you in some way in your daily life. And please make sure you share this with us in the comment section. At the School of Breath, our aim is to bring more and more value to your life through these videos. So make sure you have this bi-directional communication going on. You give us feedback and we bring this feedback into our videos. I hope you got a little value from this video. If you did, make sure you hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and send this video to a loved one who can also get the benefits of yoga, breath work, and meditation in their life.
You can join us on Holistic Membership on our website. When you sign up, you'll get access to the 12-day series of the Third Eye Intuition course and explore a variety of programs in breathwork, meditation, sleep, and overall life improvement, all designed to enhance your well-being. We are excited to welcome you into our community and grow together. Start your morning when you are on the bed. You start with gratitude, and we have created an MP3 file for you which you can save as your alarm. So as you wake up in the morning, it wakes you up with gratitude. And 9 p.m., 10 p.m., whenever you go back to sleep, 30 minutes before you go back to sleep, when you're laying on the bed, practice this affirmation again, gratitude meditation.
Until next time, my friends, my name is Abhi Duggal. Namaste, peace, and love.